Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. In this video, I'm going to share you how to cut and stitch this beautiful circular palazzo pant. For that, I have taken 2.25 meter printed rayon fabric and I'm going to show you how to do the markings in it. Firstly, fold the fabric by a half in length. So the width of the fabric is 43.5 inch. So this is the open side. Here you can see two layers in it. Now this is the other end of the fabric. I'm just folding this fabric like a triangle shape. So just turn the fabric to the other side. Just place this exactly like this. Now this is the folded side and here this is open side and you will have 4 layers here. So this is the folded side. To mark the palazzo pant, we need hip measurement. In my case, it is 40 inch. You have to add 4 inch seam allowance. So we will get 44 inch divided by 4 is 11 inch. So I am marking 11 inch here. So just place the measuring tape and where you will get 11 inch, there you need to mark it. I am just marking here. So now again I am placing the measuring tape here and I am getting it as 13 inch. So I am marking 13 inch exactly like this. Now join these points. After this, I am going to measure the length of the pant. In my measurement, length of the pant is 27 inch. So I am marking 27 inch from this point. So again, I'll place the measuring tape here. And then I'm getting 40 inch here. So similarly, I'll place this tape here and I'll mark 40 inch till the other end of the fabric. So if you want more length, then you have to take some 2.5 meter fabric or more than that. Now join these points. Now I'll tell you how to measure the crotch. For crotch we need again hip measurement. In my case hip is 40 inch divided by 4 is 10 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance. So you'll get 12 inch. Then subtract 1 inch from that. So I'm going to mark 11 inch here. Then extend this point. From here mark 3.5 inch inwards. So just place the measuring tape here and mark 3.5 inch and join this with the waist measurement. I mean the waist point. And draw a small curve here. With this marking is complete, now I am going to cut it. So this is how it looks. Now I'll show you how to stitch this. Just open the fabric and place it here. So make a stitch at the crotch area. This is the right side. And make a stitch at the wrong side of the fabric and only for the back portion you are going to make a stitch. not for the front portion. This is the front portion crotch area. I finished attaching. Now open this and I have taken the required belt for this pant. Length of the belt is 3 inch, that is 1 inch elastic plus 0.5 inch is the seam allowance, then double it, that is you will get 3 inch. So the length of the belt is 3 inch and width of the belt depends on the width of the pant. Just place this at the right side of the fabric and make a stitch. I am placing this here and then make a stitch. Just pin the fabric so that it will be easy to attach the belt with the pant. Now start stitching. I finished attaching the belt with the pant. This is how it looks. Now fold the fabric. Trim the excess belt. And then start making a stitch at the crotch area. I finished attaching. Now place the fabric exactly like this. Then start making a stitch at the center. After attaching the center, fold the bottom of the pant twice and make a stitch at the inner edge for both the sides. Just fold this twice at the wrong side of the fabric and make a stitch. Firstly, I am attaching the center. Now fold the bottom twice and make a stitch at the inner edge. So repeat the same for the other side as well. I have finished attaching the center and also both the bottoms. This is how it looks. Now I'll show you how to finish the belt portion. Just fold the belt once and start making a stitch throughout the waist. So since this is the selvage edge, I am folding it once. Otherwise you have to fold it twice and start making a stitch. So leave some half inch to insert the elastic. The width of the elastic is 28 inch. Now I'll insert this using the safety pin. So overlap both the elastic. Then secure the elastic by making a stitch at the inner edge of the belt. After this, make a top stitch so that the elastic never turns. With this, my stitching is complete. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching.